Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you BD Diesel's sway bar end links for the Dodge pickup trucks. Your front sway bar links are a component of your front suspension that really gets overlooked a lot of times. When you have any type of suspension or drivability problems, everybody looks to track bar, they look to tie rod ends. But your sway bar end links go a long way in the overall drivability of your truck. And it's also something on your truck that can just rust and break and fall off. Adam's got a 2005 truck. Both his sway bar links are completely gone. I've got a 2001. Mine are gone as well. It's just something that you just don't look at until you start to notice that the truck is starting to drift in turning situations and whatnot, and boom, there it is. Sway bar end link is something that you really want to take a look at. BD knows that sway bar end links are traditionally just very chintzy. You know, usually a long bolt with a sleeve, couple bushings on it. They wear out, they break, and BD has made a kit now that's probably the last sway bar end link that you're going to have to buy for your truck. These are really nice kits. They are for the Dodge trucks. BD offers these for. Now they do they make them for the 2000 and at the time of this filming, they make them for the 2000s all the way to the current trucks, the 21 trucks. And again, really nice kit. Now, sway bar end links, if you do a lot of work on your truck on a 2-post list, that's really where the stress is going to be pulling on these things, so they can just get pulled apart like that. So these now have very heavy duty hardware. Adam's going to come off the tripod here in just a second. He's going to show you. But these are these are articulating at 2 points, dual articulating. They have got very nice suspension kits. This is actually an energy suspension kit, and we offer the kits for these to be able to rebuild them, so it's a fully rebuildable kit. Very high grade hardware. This is high grade hardware, all grade 8 stuff. Again, energy suspension bushings, and very nice cast piece. Got BD's little logo engraved in it, so they went a long way to making this product. This is a really quick and easy install, less than an hour installation time, and you've got a really nice set of sway bar end links. Heck, you can these come raw, so you can powder coat them if you want to match your truck. These work on the lifted trucks too. That's something worth mentioning. If you got over a 3-inch lift, you already probably got a 3-inch sway bar spacer that came with the lift kit. These are going to bolt right on, so it's a really nice addition to the truck. Cheap, easy install, less than an hour install time on them, and they're really nice. We're going to do an install on both trucks. We're going to do one on a 2nd gen, and we're going to do one on a 3rd gen, so you can see the process of what it takes, and then we'll link you to that in this video. We're also going to link you in this video where you can purchase the BD sway bar end links. This is something not to overlook, guys. It really is. It's something that gives you a really nice drivability of your vehicle, and something to keep in mind there. So, I'm Wade, Thoroughbred Diesel. You got a question about this product or any other BD products, give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.